Hi, my name is Andrew Morris. I'm the test engineer here at SpaceForge. First thing I do when I arrive is I get coffee, and then after that the first part of my day involves planning my day. I'll usually have some major tasks I need to accomplish that day, which can change from week to week. One of the things I would say with working at SpaceForge is the tasks are quite varied, therefore no 2 days are the same. It does make the job very interesting, but it does mean you're doing lots of different things in lots of different areas. Some things you're definitely better at than others. One of the major things I'm in charge of is the thermal vacuum testing. This is where you put the satellite in a chamber that goes very hot and very cold. This is to simulate the space environment. The interesting thing about it is that I never heard of it before working at SpaceForge, and now I'm in charge of it, so each day I'm just encountering new things with it, new problems. I have to come up with innovative solutions, and it does make it very interesting to be a part of because you're just constantly learning on the job, and I think that's what makes the job interesting. SpaceForge in general, I would say, is very collaborative. I would say it has a very good environment at work that does lend itself to collaboration. I would say that the company's done a very good job fostering an environment where everybody's quite happy to share their opinion and quite happy to express themselves. This, I would say, leads to generally quite a lot of collaboration on projects, and I think with that you end up getting quite a lot of good solutions. You get a lot of different viewpoints, and you come across a lot of things that you wouldn't know yourself, generally just from the sharing of opinions and the environment, I would say, at work. As a test engineer, a lot of my job is just to make sure that hardware works as it's supposed to. So a lot of my job involves planning the tasks to make sure what we've engineered works. I would say that, and this can be applied to SpaceForge in general, that the company has a bright future ahead of itself, and that involves a lot of room for growth. So the main thing I'm looking forward to is seeing the company grow and being a part of that growth of the company. So although I'm doing certain tasks at the moment, the tasks will evolve, and it's interesting to speculate on how those tasks will evolve and what my responsibilities will be in the future.